I'm sorry, I needed to set up the phone, okay, because he fell down. Okay, translation, how to break down language barriers. Okay, I'm gonna teach you that, okay. For example, I speak 3 languages, okay. So you need to have a computer in front of you all the time. You always need to have a computer in front of you. For example, yes, the first point that is very important is to be able to write fast. You want to say something, you're in front of your keyboard, you need to be able to write fast. Because if you can write fast, you can have a fast translation. If you can have a fast translation, you can do very fast interpretation. And if you can do a very fast interpretation, you can break down language breakers. You understand? It's easy. Easy. Je suis désolé, il faut que j'installe le téléphone. I'm sorry, I needed to set up the phone. Or in Spanish, lo siento, tengo que instalar el teléfono. Donc voilà, c'est une manière de parler 3 langues. Je peux me traduire. I can translate myself. I can speak in French and translate myself in English. Et I can speak English also. Okay, so I'll show you how to break down language barriers. This is a very interesting question. C'est une question très importante. Comment briser les barrières de la langue le plus rapidement possible. Alors c'est ce que je vous transmets, c'est ce que je vous enseigne. Donc il va falloir ouvrir vos oreilles. You're gonna have to open your ears, okay, and to understand very well. Hey everyone. Hey. Ok. Par exemple, je vous montre l'écriture rapide. Dans ce live, je vais faire des traductions, des démonstrations de traduction efficace en 3 langues. D'accord? C'est aussi simple que ça. Ok. In his live stream, I demonstrate effective translations into 3 languages. Is that simple? Dans ce live, je vais faire des démonstrations de traduction efficace en 3 langues. C'est aussi simple que ça. En esta transmisión en vivo, mostraré traducciones efectivas a 3 idiomas. Así de simple. D'accord? Mais que je répète? Pas de problème. Dans ce live, je vais faire des démonstrations de traduction efficace en 3 langues. C'est aussi simple que ça. Je vais juste regarder un truc. I only have 10% of battery. Okay. Ok, dans ce live, in his live stream, je vais faire des démonstrations de traduction. I demonstrate effective translations. En 3 langues. C'est aussi simple que ça. In 3 languages. Is that simple? Okay? In 3 languages. En esta transmisión en vivo, mostraré traducciones efectivas a 3 idiomas. Así de simple. ¿Entiende? Vous avez compris? Did you understand? Est-ce que vous avez compris? Did you understand? So this is just a teaching, so it's not necessary to put your hand up, okay? I teach to people, okay? I'm a linguist, translator, language teacher. I'm just teaching you how to break down language barriers. So this is not the time to open your mouth, it's the time to open your ears, because I transmit a very high science, linguistic science. Okay, so you just have to open your ears and have to understand. Okay, how to break down language barriers. At first, you need a keyboard in any occasion to practice. Okay, this is the first rule. The second rule, you have to be able to communicate in writing in your native language in a very fast way, like fast writing on the keyboard. Okay, fast writing on the keyboard. For example, I want to teach you another example. Okay, for example, I'm a native French speaker. Okay. Imagine, I don't know how to say, so I write very fast. Dans ce live, je vais faire clac, 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 des démonstrations, clac, 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 de traduction efficace, clac, 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 en 3 langues, clac, clac, clac. C'est aussi simple que ça. En esta transmisión en vivo mostraré traducciones efectivas a 3 idiomas. Así de simple. in English now, en inglés ahora, en esta, you know, it's Spanish, French, English, 3 languages translating. In this live stream, I demonstrate effective translation into 3 languages. It's that simple. Okay, so it's easy. You have to understand. It's very easy to understand. Okay, you want to break down language barriers. You want to be able to say anything you want to say. It's simple. Just listen to me. I don't ask to talk here. Okay, you have to learn. You are here to learn. So listen to me. You want to break down language barriers in a record time. You need to have a computer in any occasion to practice. Okay. You also need, as a second point, you also need to have a fast writing. Do I have to repeat? You need to have a fast writing. And because you have a fast writing, you are like, imagine I'm in French, and I translate into 2 languages, different languages, okay? I'm writing. Imagine, use your imagination, okay? Open your ears and use your imagination. You are using your imagination, you imagine yourself, or you imagine me right now. I'm doing that right now. I have a fast writing. I want to speak in 3 languages, translating, interpreting that. So, I'm writing, okay? I'm writing. Donc, I'm writing. Dans ce live, je vais faire des démonstrations de traduction efficace en 3 langues. C'est aussi simple que ça. In this live stream, I demonstrate effective translation into 3 languages. It's that simple. En esa transmisión en vivo mostraré traducciones efectivas a 3 idiomas. Así de simple. Did you get it? Est-ce que vous avez compris? Vous avez compris? Did you understand? ¿Lo entiendes? ¿Lo entiendes? ¿Lo entiendes? ¿Lo entienden? ¿Lo entienden? ¿Lo entienden? What's the topic? You just have to open your ears if you want to know the topic. And the topic, the title of this room, how to break down language barriers. How to break down language barriers. This is the topic. The topic is how to break down language barriers. And now we have to move on. We have to go to the next step. How to do that? Okay, fast writing. I'm going to show you another example. Imaginez-vous, simplement, vous pouvez écrire relativement vite au clavier d'ordinateur et vous brisez les barrières de la langue de cette manière. C'est pas plus compliqué que ça. Ok? Donc c'est ce que j'ai écrit. I've written that. I've just written that. Imaginez-vous, simplement, vous pouvez écrire relativement vite au clavier d'ordinateur. Ok? Et vous brisez les barrières de la langue de cette manière. C'est pas plus compliqué que ça. Imagínate, puedes escribir relativamente rápido en un teclado de computadora y así puedes superar las barreras del idioma. No es más complicado que eso. ¿Lo entienden? Just imagine you can type relatively quickly on a computer keyboard, and you can break down language barriers that way. It's not more complicated than that. Did you get it? Yeah, I'm the best linguist in the world. I've accepted my gift. So you are welcome to learn. I want to teach you how to break down language barriers, and I'm doing that right now. Je veux que vous sachiez comment briser les barrières de la langue, et d'ailleurs, je suis présentement en train de le faire. Oui. I want you to know how to break down language barriers, and I'm currently doing just that. Je veux juste que vous sachiez comment briser les barrières de la langue, et d'ailleurs, je suis présentement en train de le faire. Ok? quiero que sepas cómo romper las barreras del idioma y eso es precisamente lo que estoy haciendo actualmente. Ok, did you get it? ¿Lo entienden? ¿Vous avez compris? Did you understand how to break down language barriers?